The robot is simple, intuitive to use, and ready for action right out of the box. Dedicated free desktop and mobile apps have simple interfaces and are compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, and Chromecast devices. The robot comes in a box which can be later used to store it safely. Inside the box, you will find a Photon robot, a micro USB cable, and a user manual. The charging cable is connected to the back of the robot and is compatible with any wall charger, power bank, and USB port. I would like to encourage you to take a good look at the robot after taking it out of the box for the first time. Its eyes and ears are equipped with LED lights and are made out of a flexible, semi-transparent material. On the back of its head, you will find a speaker. There's also a microphone which recognizes loud noises, such as stamping your feet or clapping. You can also register your own audio recordings and use them during classes. The light sensor enables the robot to react to light and darkness. There's also an obstacle sensor on the robot's front, allowing it to measure distances up to 39 inches or 100 centimeters. We have placed an anti-slip rubber on each of its wheels and 4 additional sensors on its bottom. The sensors make it possible for the robot to move along any black line. After you've taken the robot out of the box, all you need to do is download and install a mobile app required for controlling the robot. The app can be found on both Google Play and the App Store. After downloading the app, activate the robot by holding the button on the top of its head for 3 seconds. When launching the app for the first time, you'll be asked to allow it to access your device's location. Make sure to accept it, as it is necessary to find nearby robots. You will need a Bluetooth connection to connect to the robot, so make sure you have it on. Once your device finds a robot in the area, the robot will make a greeting sound and its eyes will start blinking white. In the app, click the Connect button to establish a connection. Each robot has a unique identification number, so you can easily identify it on the available devices list. The connection will be maintained until you turn off the app or the robot. Once the connection is established, you are ready to start the activities with your class. To sum up, the robot is ready to use out of the box. You will need the mobile app to control the robot. Each robot has a unique identification number, so you can easily identify them.